We are here today at the Plaza Hotel at Ambar, one of their fine dining establishments. Behind me, you're going to see the bar. This is amber colored stained glass. Now, the cool thing about this is that they have over 800 tequilas and mezcals. It's the biggest selection of tequila and mezcal in North America. In addition to a large selection of tequila, Ambar restaurant also serves elevated Mexican cuisine and features an open kitchen concept with a wood-fired grill. An interesting find in this hotel is going to be several of these cozy, home-like feeling nooks, almost like you're in your own living room. And behind me is a piece of history. While renovating the hotel, they found 2 letters stuck in the mail slot over by the elevator. They're dated 1938. We're in the landmark suite here at the Plaza Hotel. Just imagine Art Deco luxury. This place is gorgeous. The hotel originally opened in 1930 by Conrad Hilton and was one of Hilton's 8th properties and his first high-rise. When the hotel first opened, it was advertised that every single room had a radio. Today, as an homage to that, they have a retro-designed Bluetooth speaker. I keep finding these fascinating little intricacies here. For example, this water is filtered with reverse osmosis. They actually have a machine here in the hotel to make alkaline water. Other cool little accents are like this retro clock that you have here. You also have this reading light that can pop out and swivel. Once upon a time, this used to be a penthouse suite where Elizabeth Taylor stayed. You can imagine, she walked these very floors. Today, it's La Perla, named after Elizabeth Taylor's pearl, and it serves as an event space and bar. This also has 3 fabulous patios, boasting the best views in El Paso. Let's check it out. The Plaza Hotel is a testament to resurrection with renewed purpose in downtown El Paso.